guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm making this video after a really long time. Due to personal reasons, I couldn't film anything last month or maybe last to last month. So it's been a really long time. So I have bought a couple of products from e.l.f. and I was thinking of making a video with all of my new purchases. Some of them are pretty expensive and I did not want to buy them. I just bought them for the purpose of this video. And I'm really not sure about the Camo cream shade. I think it's light and it's expensive. I think this is for 1500 or something. Yeah, and I couldn't find it in Nykaa store, so I had to buy it online. I was looking at swatches, but you all know how it ends. No matter how many swatches you look at, you end up buying kind of a wrong shade because they do not launch all the shades in India. So yeah, enough of the rant. I am going to start with the Halo Glow. This is one of the most famous products from e.l.f. and I was thinking about, I was contemplating really hard whether to pick this or not because I already have strobe cream from MAC. I do not use highlighting primers that often, but this one is so famous that I thought let's pick it. I have picked this in the shade medium. Let's try it first. I have just washed and moisturized my skin. Nothing else is there. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has a very fat wand, which I think is good for application, easy application. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. This is supposed to be a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's highlighter. I also have that one as well. I will do a comparison video sometime. That one is a bit dark for my skin. I'm using a sponge. This sponge is so good. This is from Earth Rhythm. There was a pack of 4. I think this is for 500 rupees or 599 and you get 4 sponges. See how squishy and how big the sponge is. So I'm using it for the first time today. I'm going to blend the primer first. Yes, it's very glowy. So it's like a liquid highlighter, but it's not very blinding. So I think it can be used on the top of makeup as well because this is essentially a liquid highlighter. I won't say that it's moisturizing or anything. As you can see, my face looks very glowy, very glowy right now, and it is very light. It doesn't feel greasy or anything. It was very easy to blend. There was some tint, as you can see, but I don't think it has offered any coverage. My face looks very shimmery. It's not shimmery, but it has a lot of sheen. Yeah, so I think it's good. If you have dry skin like me and your skin doesn't really glow no matter how much glowing primer or moisturizer you apply, I think this is going to be a really good quick fix. Now I like the packaging of this product. It comes in tube and it has a pump here. So we'll pray that this shade works for me, because if it doesn't, then so as you can see, the tube is almost pitchku. I've just taken out this much of product because you know what, this carries 30 ml and 30 ml ke liye itna bada tube is too much. 30 ml would be around this much. So ye sara is khali space. But yeah, it is what it is. So the color looks like this. I think it's just going to be light for me, but we'll try our luck. Yeah, it is light. Let's blend. Okay, I think we can work with it. The coverage is nice. I think it's giving me sheer to medium coverage. The shade is, I think it's kind of matches me well. I'm really happy it's a good match. And I'm not going to layer too much because then it might end up looking grey. It is thick. Like the texture is thick on the skin, but once you blend it, once you start blending it, it shears out very quickly. It feels really good. The coverage is nice. However, I would have gone for a shade darker than this. This is looking okay. It's not looking grey. At least it's not looking grey in person. How it's looking on camera, I have no idea. I will see it when I'll start editing the video, but right now it's looking good. So I couldn't film anything last month and last to last month because Lucky hasn't been keeping well. He was down with typhoid and chikungunya both, and it took him around a month to recover. And I was just not in the right mental space, right headspace to shoot and make new content. And you know how bad the algorithm has become. No matter how good content you shoot, there isn't much traction. If you are not a vlogger, you might not get much traction. The thing has been like, things have been really bad since COVID. Like, I just don't even feel like shooting content because I don't get views. So there is no motivation. After almost 10 years, there is like zero motivation. That's why the entire makeup, like all the products that I am going to use in this video, were purchased by me around 2 months ago. They have been sitting prettily inside my drawer. I'm also planning to do a full face of K-beauty. I am trying to find the palette. I saw in one of the influencers' stories that they have launched new eyeshadow palettes. They looked really beautiful, but I just couldn't find them online on Nykaa. I think they might be store exclusive. I will visit their store, I think next week or next to next week sometime. I'll check out. But other than that, I have a lot of new products from K-beauty that I would really want to try for you guys. uh, I'll do a video of that as well, so I'll post it sometime next week. So right, I'm going to take slow steps. So I'm going to post one full length video every week, apart from shorts that I upload like almost every other day. So we'll see from there. So the foundation, like the CC cream, has blended in really well. I think it looks good. It has demi matte finish. The glow, the halo glow is still visible. My skin looks glowy, but the overall finish of the CC cream is demi matte. Now I have two concealers from e.l.f. This one is my favorite. This is their 16-hour Camo concealer, and this one I purchased recently. This is a hydrating Camo concealer, but as you can see, this is very yellow. It looks so yellow. I don't even want to use it. I'll swatch both of them. I picked almost same shades. This is tan neutral, like 16 hours, and this is tan sand in hydrating Camo. But the hydrating Camo one looks very yellow, pasty yellow. I'm not really sure about it. This 16-hour one matches me well. I like it. This is kind of a neutral color. Yellow is good if you have dark circles. This is going to cancel out, like, not very dark circles, but this is going to brighten up the under eye area. I'm not sure. I don't want to use the yellow one because I think it's going to end up looking too yellow. So I'm going back to my 16-hour Camo concealer in the shade tan neutral. This is what I'm going to use today. I like this concealer. This is like very easy to blend. The coverage it gives is, I think, medium. And this is again a demi matte formula. This sponge is really good. I will highly recommend you guys to check it out. I'll try and link all the products in the description box below. This sponge was sent to me by the brand, but like the mention is not paid or anything. I really wanted to try it, and buying a good makeup sponge in India is a challenge. You don't really have too many choices, and whatever choices are there, they are very expensive for some unknown reasons. So I think if you want to try this one out. This one is, I think, latex free. Yes, this is latex free. The box is lying on the floor next to me, so I'm just reading what is written on the top. And it comes in a pack of 4. So there are 4 sponges that you are going to get. So I'm going to link it. I will highly recommend you guys to check this out. Very, very good product. Really, really good. Now I'm going to do my brows. I'm using Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from e.l.f. The formula is very dry. I hope I'm not going to uproot a lot of brow hair while trying to fill them, because it's very dry and it is, no, on brows it's working fine. I think I was just supposed to warm up the product a little bit. I like slim pencils because I have sparse brows, and if I fill them too much, they don't look good. So when you have slimmer head like of the pencil, it looks natural. You can create strokes, nice strokes, and then fill them in. The color is nice. The pencil color is nice. It's perfect, in fact, It looks good. I have their Lash and Brow Mascara, which I'm going to use on my brows. This is dual-ended clear lash and brow mascara. I did not buy this thing. It came in one of the PR hampers from Nykaa. But I'm going to use it today. So as the name suggests, it's a clear brow gel. So I don't know why it has... Acha, one is for lash, one is for brow. Now I have two blushes from e.l.f. There is Putty blush and there is Luminous Putty blush. This is Caribbean, the Putty blush in Caribbean, and Luminous is in Saint Barts. This is the Putty blush. It's a cream formula, and the Luminous one has slight hint of shimmer. Both the shades look very close to each other. This is slightly darker, the cream one, and the Luminous one is slightly lighter, but otherwise they look almost the same. I'll swatch them. The Putty blush is creamy, but it is not like oily, which is a plus. This is the Putty blush and this is the Luminous Putty blush. Putty or Putty, I don't know how you pronounce it. This is almost like cream to powder formula. It feels nice. It blends really quickly. As you can see, it blends pretty quickly. And like with any other cream blush, it kind of vanishes into my skin. But it is not very oily or greasy, so you can very easily wear it on a daily basis even if you have oily skin. And for Luminous one, I'll just try to put a little bit of it, but I don't want to overkill because I already have way too much blush. But Luminous one is going to add some luminosity, so that's about it. I think blush situation is looking very good. I also have their HD powder, which is very good if you want to just do a light dusting of powder under your eyes. And I was hoping to get a powder puff as well, but it's not there. So this is good. That's what I'm going to do. A little bit of dusting under my eyes and on my eyelids, because that's where the concealer creases. And it's translucent, so it's not going to give you any coverage, or it's not going to be visible. It's HD, so it's going to look nice in videos and photos. That's all. This is their No Budge Cream Eyeshadow. So when I looked it online, it looked more like a taupish brown, but in person it is very cool toned. It almost looks muddy. Here is the swatch. It's not one of the best eyeshadows, but this is what I have, so we have to work with it. I'm going to take a little bit of it on a brush and apply on the top of my eyelid. I'm not sure even if it is going to be visible. It might look like I have dark eyelids, which I have, but that was not the plan. This is how it's looking. It's not even visible on my eyelids. Yeah, it happens. When you buy stuff online, you end up with products that look different online and very different in person. Can you tell the difference? I can't even say that my eyes look different. The eyelids, the color is, it looks like I have dark eyelids. I would like to do something on my eyes because my eyes look really plain. So I'm going to use the ColourPop palette in the shade Rock Candy. Yeah, this is nice. I'm going to use the brown one because it's going to look good with my eyeshadows, because it will look more blended in. I have this mascara. This is Hourglass Mascara from e.l.f, which is what I'm going to use today. So lastly, I have this e.l.f Berry Queen lip stain. This is a lip stain, I believe, because I've already thrown away the pack and it's not mentioned what it is. It's just saying Berry Queen. So I'm going to apply this. It's very small. It's like a plum color. I think this is a very nice, very dark very nice color, and it definitely leaves a stain. I've just tried to wipe it off, but it has left a stain. So this looks really nice. And why I prefer darker lip stains over lighter, because my lips are uneven toned. So if I apply a lighter lip stain, it doesn't look good. This kind of lip stains, like this dark lip stains, look good. So it looks nice. I don't know how much longer, like how long is it going to stay on my lips, but I think overall I like the formula. It feels very nice on the lips. So I think this is it. I have applied everything that I had from e.l.f. and I'm not going to say that I'm very happy about how my makeup looks right now. It looks okayish. I think the camo cream is nice, but I would have preferred half a shade darker or a shade darker. Uh, the halo glow is okay. Right now it's not much visible, maybe because of the camo cream. It was demi matte, so it has kind of made the glow subtle. The blush, as you can see, it's almost gone. That's the reason why I do not prefer cream blushes when I'm going for a party or a wedding, because they just do not stay on. If you're just going out for shopping and all, cream blushes look really good and very natural, but I'm yet to come across a cream blush that stays on, that sticks to your skin for a longer period of time. So the blush is almost gone already. The brow pencil is nice, however it is slightly lighter for me. If you are of a fairer complexion, you can give this brow pencil a try. It's going to look good on you. But if you are darker than me or of similar complexion, then the color isn't very complimenting. The mascara was nice. I like the mascara. It has definitely added length and it has curled my lashes. It looks nice. I think that's about it. I did not apply anything else. The HD powder I like and the lip stain I like. So this was about it. I have applied everything from e.l.f. Cosmetics for this makeup look. This is how it looks after full face of makeup. So yeah, I'm going to link all the products in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. And let me know what else would you like to see on my channel. I have K-Beauty lip tints like in 5 shades. I'm yet to film a video. I have new Arthrodam serum lipsticks. I'm yet to film a video on that as well. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Let me know anything else, or if you have any queries related to any of the products used in today's video, and I will definitely reply back as soon as possible. So yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.